Good morning, you guys. I'm finally saying hello, but I'm actually running out because I'm going to run some errands. I need to go back to Sephora to get more of my melanin hair cream. I'm going to stop off at Marshall's and Winners just to see what they have. I'm looking for nothing in particular, but if they do have some Clinique Take the Day Off balm, I'm gonna look for that. I'm also gonna look for some Dr. Bronner's and maybe like a sponge. So a few things we're looking for just to see if they have. I need to go to Sobeys at some point to get some food because I'm starving. This morning's been a bit chaotic. It was fine at first, and then you know when little things just start irritating you? That's how this morning's been. Also, as you can tell, I've taken my wig braids down and my hair is out, but I'm having a bit of a crisis about it, to be honest, because I feel like, and even on camera, my hair is significantly shorter than how it was a few months ago, and not because of health reasons. I just think like the last time I got a trim, I think he may have cut too much off, and it's kind of stressing me out. So anyways, this is first day hair, and usually I do stretch it, so maybe that's why, but it looks significantly shorter and I really want to fix that. So I need to do some brainstorming about what I'm going to do with my hair, but maybe we'll talk about that later in another video. But yeah, I'm gonna head out because it's already getting a bit late and we're gonna just run some errands. Also, my makeup is all the products that I bought in my last video, so if you haven't already, be sure to check it out. Show you the lip combo. It's eating. So despite the hair, the outfit is eating. So anyways, we're gonna head out and I'll see you guys out there. Well, that was a fail. There wasn't anything at Marshall's or Winners, and they didn't have my hair cream, so probably gonna order it online when I get home. But I think I'm gonna head to Sobeys because I need to pick up like 2 things, and then we're gonna head back home. So let's go. Okay, I just walked in and it was a fail. I didn't get literally anything. Marshall's or Winners didn't have what I needed, and Sephora was out of my hair cream, so I think I have enough to do my hair this weekend, but I definitely need some more. So I'm probably gonna just order it online, honestly. I probably could have ordered it there, but you know, the store is just too overwhelming. So I was gonna go to Sobeys, I think I said in my last clip, but then I decided I only needed 2 things from there, and it would be like an extra like 30-minute trip because I'm walking, obviously. So I just decided to come home and we'll figure out what we need to do for dinner, and I'll cook something tomorrow. But now I have a few little things to do. I need to fold my laundry. I did so many loads yesterday. I also wash my sheets. I'm gonna re-dry them because I can guarantee that they're not dry yet, so I'm gonna do that. Fold my laundry. I think I'm gonna listen to the rest of Sister Kill, and then we'll see where I'm at in my to-do list, to be honest. But I've been really good at staying productive during the day, so I want to keep that momentum going. And yeah, maybe I'll make a smoothie. I'm so hungry. I've barely had much food today because there's just nothing in our house, and I need to go grocery shopping. But anyways, let's go make a smoothie and then fold our laundry, something like that. But you'll see in the next clip, so let's go.
Acting reckless when he shot that gun. I really want you to think about this. To see a Drake collapse in the front, he was being reckless, but shooting twice. So Hakim's defense is doing their best to show that his
body down one vertebrae at a time, lower back, mid back, upper back. It's controlled.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I think my hair looks a little bit better from yesterday. I stretched it out last night. I still think it's a little too short, but anyways, I'm heading to the grocery store this morning because we have like no food. I'm starving and I'm tired of being hungry, so we're gonna go grab some stuff. I'm gonna make dinner a little bit later today as well, and then I'm gonna come back and stretch and do the rest of my morning routine, but I'm literally so hungry I can't function, so we're gonna go do that. Hopefully take you with me, and yeah, just want to pop in, say hello, and let's get this day started.